So hello guys, welcome back to the channel Tips Tips. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a calculator in Scratch. So I have the Scratch web editor here. So let's name this project calculator. Okay, so let's delete this sprite. Okay, and then we need to paint a sprite. So for that I'm taking uh, okay, I'm making a rectangle here like this, and make sure it's filled like this. You see, make sure it covers the entire screen right here, and then we need to add a text. Let's change the color and make it click here to calculate. So then we can put it in the middle. Here it goes. So and then the next thing we need to do is to go to events tab, take when sprite clicked option, and then we need to say something which operation you need to do. So which operation you need to do. So and in the bracket we will be adding this this divide symbol, into symbol, plus symbol, and this minus symbol. So these are the operation we can do with this calculator. So you can see when we click on it, it will say this for 2 seconds, but 2 seconds is a very short time, so many people don't read it in that time. So I'm going for 5 seconds. So when this right is clicked, say which operation you need to do. But if we click to say, we can type which operation we need to do. So for that, copy this and then delete this block and go to sensing tab and click the ask what's your name and wait and paste it. So here it goes, which operation you need to do. Okay, so then we can code the rest of it, and if okay, and then we need to do is the if then block, and then this equal to, and then go to sensing, click that answer, then change it to a star and duplicate this, and then again duplicate, and then change the operations. Okay, done. So the next thing we need to do is to ask the first sum. So we can go number, and we need to make a variable. So make a variable, and I am saying first number. Click for all sprites. Okay, and then click OK. Then we need to do is to just store this store this answer as the first number. So for that we need to set first number to answer. So like that it will go. So I click on that and then click the operation first number. You can see it's changed to the first number. And then we need to make the second number. So make the variable, and then again duplicate this second number, but before that need to ask the second number. So click this ask what's your name and weight, and then change it to second number. Okay, so then we need to say the result. So for that, what we need to do is make a variable called result, and then go to operations, not operation, go to variable and set result to operation, go to operations and then click plus, not plus, click this multiplication option because we are doing for multiplication, and then click go to variable and first number into second number and say the result. Nice, that's done. I will show you. So if you click here and click the operation, and it will ask the first number, then I am saying 4, and the second number 1, 4. Correct. So, and then we need to duplicate this, and put it into the divide group. But then you need to delete this one, delete these three blocks, and then put the result to this, this dividing like this. So result to first number divided by second number. So say the result. Oh, okay. So that will also work like this. So first number 9 and second number 0. Okay, sorry. I come in error there. So let's go for another number. So if I go like this, the first number go 6, 2, 3. Right. So then we need to duplicate this again and put it in the plus one. Duplicate again and put it in the plus one, plus block, this if answer is equal to plus, and then delete these three blocks and go to operations and click on the plus, set result equal to first number plus second number, say the result for it, and then duplicate it again and put it in the minus, and then delete these three blocks, and then go to operations, minus first variable minus the second number variable. So the calculator is ready. Let's test it. So we need to click here to calculate, and which operation you need to do. I'm saying for plus the first number 9, second number 1, 10, right? So then I'm going for minus 9, the operation you can do to minus 9, correct. So that's how you can make a working calculator using Scratch. So if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe. Please be sure to drop a like, and also subscribe for more Scratch projects, and see you in the next video.